Nong yalam ke UDP bat MLA ke Kliriat uba Kerbenshila, ulapin pau ya ke jingshania ba ke UDP bat ke Regional Democratic Alliance, kidon kalat ban job ha kini ke election shiteng samoi, ke Shillong Lok Sabha, lada ki yatrelang batre shitong. Uba shila ulong ba ke UDP ke long ke belapin kreb ha, ban yakun ya kini ke election bat ulakin tu ki dekhot jong ke party, ban pinjur ya ke jingalap election. Ula bin rapru bakum UMLA onang treina gabinta ke constituency jong u bat kershan purai ukertong ke UDP uba avivan stone kharngap ginta. Ula banjuru ya ke jingdon kam jong ke jingeteli hapo ke RDA ke bakin thop ya ke UDP bat ke HSPDP da ke boong balada baro kinong mi khmat ki yatrelang kidon kalat banjom. Halor ke jingmi no jong uba Robert June Kharjarin na ke party uba shila ulaong bakadei karai shimet jong u bat kamdei bandon jingkta ya ke UDP ne ke jingeteli jong ke sarkar MDA.
Own personal view, and they have nothing to do with that, because when it comes to a personal decision, he can take a call on his own. So we are not responsible for him resigning from the party. It's just that his personal feelings and his personal call. So when it comes as a party, uh, he cannot blame the party for all these things, that the reason is all because of this. And if you remember, supporting each other, being MDA, so we do support, and we need to support. That shows that MDA is united. If within the MDA itself we are separated, that shows the government is that we are weak. But by collectively we join hands together in any decision, that shows that the MDA too is strong and united. So as of now, so I have nothing to say against Robert Khajarin. His own decision, and he take a call. So for that I have nothing to say.
Okay, coming to
Actually, all the party, they are, of course, if we are not sure about this, so filing a candidate is not needed also. Just we from the party, we are sure and we have to work hard. Yes, no doubt. As of now, we have seen all the party are doing the best they can for their own candidate. We are also doing the same. So it's just that our people need to trust us, because there will be a time that we'll get a chance to come and then seek for their support. But our people, they are very kind, and I believe that being a representative from my constituency, one thing I can make sure that I will do the best in my constituency, number one. And after that, I believe my people, those who, of course, I'll have few supporters outside my constituency too. I would love to seek and then seek for their support so that our candidate will come to, win this election. But if all of us, the 12, plus with the two of our friends from this RDA, if all of us work tirelessly, yes, no doubt, we are on the chance to win this election. Because as of now, total of 14 MLAs are there. So even others also, they do have equivalent number of MLAs to support their candidates, and some of them are below us. So this will be a good fight for all the party, I believe. So for that, we have no doubt, of course, they are a part of RDA team. So RDA, as we have always been mentioned, that we are united, and united we stand. So even this time, so of course, the same will happen.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.